Hello, good morning. How are you? Today's topic is effects of exercise on muscular system, right? Chapter number 7, Physiology and Injury in Sports. The topic is effects of exercise on muscular system. Exercise lead to change in the number muscular system, but these change can only be felt if one does exercise regularly. बड़ा सिंपल सी बात है, कहते हैं ना कि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स ए मैन परफेक्ट। ऐसे ही अगर हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो डेट इज़ 1000% श्योर के भी कुछ ना कुछ इफ़ेक्ट्स आपकी बॉडी के ऊपर ज़रूर पड़ेगा। फर्स्ट इज़ इंक्रीज द शेप ऑफ मसल। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, इंक्रीज द शेप ऑफ मसल, ये इफ़ेक्ट पड़ेगा। देन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कैपिलरीज, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कैपिलरीज। Then second is muscle remain in toned condition. Muscle remain in toned condition. Then protection from disease. Correct body posture, very important. Correct body posture. Increase in activeness of fiber. Enhance body shape. Enhance body shape. Delay the fatigue. Delay the fatigue. Efficiency in muscle movement. Increase the strength of connective tissues, reduce the extra fat. These are the main effects of exercise on muscular system. First of all, increase the shape of muscles. Exercising regularly increase the size of muscle cell, which also change in shape of the muscle. Second is formation of new capillaries. Formation of new capillaries. Due to regular exercise, the new cell begin to build, thereby increasing an efficiency of blood circulation. Third is मसल्स रिमेन इन टोन कंडीशन। मसल रिमेन इन टोन कंडीशन, आप नोटिस करो, अगर आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे ना तो आपकी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली शाइन करेगी। इन टोन कंडीशन शाइन करेगी, फिट रहोगे आप, एक्टिव रहेगी। सो मेनी थिंग्स आर प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम डिजीज, दैट इज 101% श्योर। इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, द कॉन्फिडेंस आपका बिल्ड होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली डाइट इंक्रीज होगी, हेल्दी डाइट लेंगे। रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज कैन कीप द डिजीज अवे फ्रॉम योर बॉडी बिकॉज and by exercising the following, the flexibility in arteries increase, the blood thus does not have to resist to pass through the artery. Correct body posture, body posture increase होगा, that is very sure कि भी जब आप बॉडी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो आप बॉडी आपका बैक मसल टोन अप होगा, मसल खिंच जाएगा और आप मसल करेक्ट होकर पोस्चर होगा। बाय एक्सरसाइजिंग रेगुलरली द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मसल इंक्रीज विच इज टर्न कीप द बॉडी पोस्चर इन करेक्ट पोजिशन। आल्सो पोस्चर डिफॉर्मिटी डू नॉट एक्योर। इंक्रीज इन एक्टिवनेस ऑफ फाइबर्स। ड्यू टू रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज along the active fibers of the body, inactive fiber also start functioning. That is why people doing exercise regularly are more powerful. Enhance body shape. Due to regular exercise, the muscle became talking shape gradually. Due to fine shape of muscle, one look attractive. That is why many film personalities and actors regularly exercise to look attractive. Delay in fatigue. नेचुरली जब हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे पास स्ट्रेंथ आएगी, पावर आएगी, तो हम उस चीज़ से हम अपनी थकान के ऊपर काबू पा सकते हैं। रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज कैन डिक्रीज द accumulation of fatigue causing eliminate in body like carbon dioxide, lactic acid and acid phosphate. This result in increase the ability of a person to work more without getting tired. Efficiency in muscle movement. Exercising regularly improve the efficiency of muscle movement. Increase in strength of connective tissues. Exercising regularly increase the ability of linking the connective tissues together. As a result of connective tissue are able to bear more strain and become strong. Reduction in extra fat. Exercising regularly reduce the extra fat also. The type of muscle. This is very good, very important part. Type of muscle. Voluntary muscle, then involuntary muscles. Muscle is a special type of tissue that make the body and its organ movable. It is also shape body. It is also shape the body. Muscle are 40% to 45 of the total body weight. There are three type of muscle in our body: voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, and cardiac muscle. Voluntary muscle, these type of muscles that work according to our will, that is voluntary, जो हमें अपने आप को सौंप देते हैं. Such as muscle of the hand and feet. It's look like when we look through in microscope, they are also called striated muscle. Then involuntary muscle. These muscles are not subject to human desire. The type of muscle are found in kidney and intestine. Function of muscle system, muscular system. The main function of muscular system are following: mobility, stability, posture, circulation, body pressure, respiration, digestion, and organ protection. These are the main function of muscular system. Mobility. The muscular system main function to allow movement when muscles contract. They contribute to gross and fine movement, walking, running, writing, speaking, facial and expression. Stability. Muscle tendons stretch over joints and contribute to joint stability. Posture. Skeletal muscle help to keep the body in the correct position when someone is sitting or standing. Posture. Circulation. Smooth muscle in the artery and veins play a further role in circulation of blood around the body. Blood pressure. Muscle also maintain the blood pressure and circulation in even of blood loss or dehydration. Respiratory system. Respiration. During breathing process, muscle can play a very important role. Digestion. Smooth muscle in the gastrointestinal tract control digestion. Organ protection. Very important. Organ protection. Muscle act as cushion to the bones and joints to protect it from deep injury. These are the effects of exercise on muscular system.